Are you new to skiing and looking for the best resorts in the US? Well, you're in the right place. Skiing, a thrilling blend of adventure and serenity, is a sport that's as exciting as it is challenging. And for beginners, the journey starts with choosing the right ski resort. The United States is home to a plethora of ski resorts, each with its own unique allure. But not all are created equal, especially when it comes to accommodating beginners. The perfect resort for beginners should have beginner-friendly trails, top-notch ski lessons, affordable pricing, and an atmosphere that's welcoming, not overwhelming. So how do you navigate this snowy landscape and find the right fit? Well, that's where we come in. We've carved through the countless options to bring you the top 5 ski resorts for beginners in the US, considering all the crucial factors. So strap on your boots, adjust your goggles, and let's dive into our top 5 ski resorts for beginners in the US. Starting off our list at number 5 is Breckenridge, Colorado. Situated in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, Breckenridge offers a stunning blend of natural beauty and winter sports. But what really sets it apart is its commitment to beginner skiers. With a variety of gentle slopes and wide trails designed for those just starting out, Breckenridge ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for all. Now let's talk ski lessons. Breckenridge has an exceptional ski school, staffed with experienced instructors ready to guide you through your first forays on the snow. From teaching you the basics to helping you perfect your technique, they've got you covered. When it comes to price, Breckenridge offers competitive rates, making it a great choice for those on a budget. And while it can get a bit crowded during peak season, the resort is large enough to accommodate everyone without feeling too cramped. With its high-quality ski lessons and beginner-friendly trails, Breckenridge is a fantastic choice for new skiers. Coming in at number 4, we have Park City, Utah, a beautiful resort that has something for everyone, especially beginners. Its beginner trails are designed with gentle slopes and wide paths, perfect for those just getting their ski legs. The ski lessons here are top-notch with experienced instructors who make learning fun and easy. They offer a variety of lesson packages to suit all needs and budgets. Now let's talk about the price. Park City offers competitive rates, so you can enjoy the snowy slopes without burning a hole in your pocket. And the crowds? Well, despite its popularity, Park City manages to maintain a laid-back vibe thanks to its vast terrain. One of Park City's unique features is its close proximity to Salt Lake City. It's just a short drive away, making it incredibly convenient for those looking for a quick ski trip. If you're looking for a ski resort with a blend of convenience and beginner-friendly features, Park City is the place to be. Keystone, Colorado takes the 3rd spot on our list. This resort is a paradise for those just starting their skiing journey. Keystone has a range of beginner trails, each designed with the novice skier in mind. The School Marm Trail, for instance, is a green-rated trail that's over 3 miles long, perfect for beginners to get a feel for the snow and enjoy a long, leisurely ski down the mountain. What sets Keystone apart, however, is its phenomenal ski school. With a team of experienced and patient instructors, new skiers can learn the ropes in a safe and supportive environment. The lessons are comprehensive, covering everything from the basics of balancing on skis to mastering turns and stops. Moreover, the resort offers private lessons for those who prefer a more personalized approach. But Keystone isn't just about skiing. The resort is known for its family-friendly features. There's a dedicated play area for the little ones, and a range of non-skiing activities for the whole family to enjoy, such as snow tubing and ice skating. Another advantage of Keystone is its reasonable pricing. Compared to some of the other resorts, Keystone offers competitive rates for both lift tickets and ski lessons. This makes it an attractive choice for families or individuals looking for a budget-friendly ski vacation. In conclusion, Keystone offers a great skiing experience for beginners, especially for families. With its beginner-friendly trails, top-notch ski school, and fun-filled activities, Keystone truly has something for everyone. At number 2, we have Deer Valley, Utah. This resort is a haven for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of skiing. The beginner trails here are meticulously groomed, providing a smooth and inviting canvas for those just starting out. You'll find wide, gentle slopes, ideal for practicing those first turns and stops. But skiing isn't just about the slopes. It's also about learning the ropes. Deer Valley offers top-tier ski lessons, with experienced instructors who are passionate about sharing their love for the sport. They'll guide you with patience and expertise, ensuring you feel confident and secure on your skis. While Deer Valley might be a bit pricier than some other resorts, you'll quickly see where your money goes. It's known for its upscale offerings and superior customer service. Here, they don't just cater to your skiing needs, but to your desire for comfort and luxury too. From the high-end lodges to the gourmet dining options, every detail is considered. As for the crowds, Deer Valley limits the number of daily lift tickets sold, so the slopes never get too congested. It ensures a relaxed, enjoyable skiing experience without the stress of navigating through packed trails. For a luxurious skiing experience with beginner-friendly features, Deer Valley is a fantastic choice. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is Aspen Snowmass, Colorado. Nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, Aspen Snowmass is a dream come true for beginners and seasoned skiers alike. Its reputation as a high-end ski destination doesn't overshadow its commitment to beginners. Aspen Snowmass pulls out all the stops to ensure an enjoyable, stress-free skiing experience for first-timers. The resort boasts a wide array of beginner trails. These trails are not just your run-of-the-mill bunny slopes, but beautifully groomed, wide-open trails that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. From Buttermilk, known for its gentle, rolling slopes, to Snowmass, with its family-friendly trails and ski school, beginners are spoiled for choice. Ski lessons at Aspen Snowmass are a cut above the rest. The resort prides itself on its high-quality ski schools, staffed by a team of professional, patient, and friendly instructors. Whether you're strapping on skis for the first time or looking to fine-tune your skills, these instructors are dedicated to helping you achieve your skiing goals. Now let's talk about the price. While Aspen Snowmass is often associated with luxury, it doesn't necessarily mean it's out of reach for those on a budget. The resort offers a variety of packages tailored to different needs and budgets. Early booking and group discounts are just a few ways to make your dream ski vacation more affordable. When it comes to crowds, Aspen Snowmass manages to maintain a balance. Despite being a popular destination, the resort's extensive terrain helps distribute skiers across the mountain, preventing overcrowding on the slopes. Plus, the high-speed lifts ensure minimal wait times, so you spend less time in line and more time carving up the mountain. Aspen Snowmass tops our list for its exceptional beginner-friendly features and world-class skiing experience. With its impressive range of trails, top-notch ski schools, affordable options, and well-managed crowds, it's no wonder Aspen Snowmass is a go-to destination for beginners looking to dive into the world of skiing. And there you have it, the top 5 ski resorts for beginners in the US. But wait, while the Rockies are widely considered to have the best ski resorts in the US, there are other places in the States to hit the slopes. As a bonus, we're taking you to the charming New England town of Stowe, Vermont. Known for its picturesque village, high-end amenities, and stunning ski trails, Stowe is truly a hidden gem. As a beginner, you'll be delighted by the variety of trails Stowe has to offer. Each trail is carefully groomed and provides stunning views of the Vermont landscape. It's a great place to gain confidence on your skis while taking in the beauty of your surroundings. At Stowe, the learning doesn't stop at the trails. The resort hosts a highly reputable ski school with professional instructors who are dedicated to helping beginners master the basics and improve their skiing skills. They offer private and group lessons so you can choose what suits you best. And after a day on the slopes, you'll love returning to the quaint, picture-perfect village of Stowe. With its high-end amenities, cozy accommodations, and charming local eateries, Stowe offers a quintessential New England experience. So if you're after a unique skiing adventure that combines great skiing and charming scenery, Stowe, Vermont is a fantastic choice. Remember, there's a whole world of skiing out there waiting for you to explore. Happy trails!